Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti, and today I'm going to teach you how to make 5 hair rinses for 5 different hair concerns. A hair rinse can help you with many benefits, like it can help your hair growth, make your hair shiny. It also may help to reduce hair fall, and I have used commercial hair rinse as well, but to be very honest, DIY hair rinse works better for me. And here I have these 5 best recipes for you. Let's start with this hair rinse that is gonna make your hair look shiny. So this is apple cider vinegar hair rinse. So I came to know about this hair rinse from you. I tried it, I loved it. It made my hair shiny and it also gives some volume to my hair. I mix like 20% apple cider vinegar with 80% water. Apple cider vinegar is quite acidic, so dilute it properly. This hair rinse is very easy to make and you can use it for both your hair and scalp. Okay, this one is gonna help your hair growth. So I have been using this for a long time. This is rice water hair rinse. It is also quite easy to make. Take some rice, wash it very well, wash it like 2-3 times. Then take the clean rice and soak it with water for like 1 or 2 hours. Then take that rice water, let it sit overnight, and next day use it for your hair rinse. Many people also boil the rice, then they take the water for the hair rinse. I have tried that too, but that made my hair sticky. Okay, I like this hair rinse very much because it makes my hair smell so amazing. For that you need lavender and dried rose petal, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna mix 50-50 lavender and rose petal. Then you're gonna boil it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're gonna let the water cool down and you're gonna use it as hair rinse. It also makes my hair shiny a bit, and the smell is so soothing and so good. I really like it. See the rich red color of this hair rinse. I actually stain this rinse when it is totally cool down, but today I was in a hurry, so I'm doing it like jaldi. Also you can add hibiscus petal in this rinse. So I'm gonna show you 2 hair rinses. One's gonna help you to control hair fall and another one is just for soothing. And for soothing, take some green tea, boil it for 2 minutes and your hair rinse is ready. Cool it down and then use it. And for reduction of hair fall, you can try this rosemary hair rinse. Take dried rosemary, boil it for like 3-4 minutes, then let it cool down, then use it. And for the green tea hair rinse, it can be really good for the health of your hair and scalp. Also you can do one thing, you can mix a rosemary with green tea and you can use that as hair rinse too, whatever you find to be convenient. And these days rosemary has been really popular for tackling hair fall. Many people use rosemary oil, but I prefer this rinse. So yeah, these are the rinses I have been using and I have seen improvement for my hair health. Even my scalp, it feels better, less itchy, less oily. I have oily scalp by the way. So yeah, definitely give it a try if you have not tried hair rinse like before. And how to use it: after doing shampoo and conditioner, take the hair rinse, use it as the last rinse. Some people, they also use water after using hair rinse, but I don't do that. So yeah, that's all for now, and these are the things I have used to make this hair rinses. I'm gonna leave everything down for your convenience. So yeah, I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye, and I really hope you found this to be helpful. Take care.